and soon there'll be more calling and crawl up in the wonderful glow. Gee, the joy to be there plugging back in the old routine. You're up, you're down, you're in there slugging back in the old routine. Give me that jazz, the razzmatazz, and we'll tread on heaven's sea. Way back in the old routine. I'd love to be there, just you and me there, back in those good old vaudeville days. Those good old days. Thank you very much. It's indeed a pleasure for us to be able to sing tonight. We've been singing together a lot of years, and I say that every night. We've grown a great friendship, and that's so special. There's one guy I want to recognize in the quartet, and this is a guy that got his 50-year pin this year. How about that? 50 years. See, you can't even tell that we've got him propped up. What do you like to do? Right, listen. Beautiful doll.
So lonely and blue.
sing a song for you, finish off with a favorite of ours. And we've all lost loved ones, and we have special memories. And this song really, really reminds us of all the good things that remind us of those people. It's Old Quartet Line.
Sitting by the fireside, watching embers softly glow, I put my daily cares aside and think of friends I used to know. As I reach back in memory, I recall that old-time melody. I can hear it yet by my old quartet in the days that used to be. I wonder what has happened to that old quartet of mine. I hope and pray we'll meet again somewhere, someday, sometime. If only to remind them how dear they are to me, and just how much I miss the touch of four-part harmony. I wonder if they still recall the tears that filled our eyes, the night the crowd applauded when we won our first big prize. All that I possess I would forsake if just once more I could partake. Singing